In front of me is OnePlus Pad 3, and today I would like to show you how you can rename it. Begin by opening Devices Settings and scrolling all the way down to tap on About Device. Then select device name and type in whatever you want to, like Sunny. When you finished, select Save and wait. So when I do that, as you can see, name of my tablet has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!